Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you how to remove skin tag permanently overnight. Get rid of skin tag and any kind of mole, warts. You don't want to have it on your skin. It doesn't look that attractive and you want to get rid of it. This magical remedy is for you. It removes the skin tag literally overnight and you will be amazed with the result. It will fall off from its roots and it's not gonna leave a scar or anything. It's going to leave your skin clear. So my friends, this magical remedy works 100% in removing skin tag and getting rid of this problem permanently. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you'll be notified to watch it and you will get so many useful tips from me. So subscribe. Now the first ingredient we need in a clean mixing bowl to prepare this remedy is around 1 teaspoon or a little piece, half teaspoon of toothpaste, because we're going to apply it on the mole or on the wart. Then we need to add half teaspoon of natural honey. Honey contains antibacterial and antifungal and it's super effective in getting rid of the skin tag. Then we need to add a little pinch of baking soda. Then my friends, we need 1 lemon and we need to add few drops of fresh lemon juice. Just few drops of lemon juice. Now mix well the ingredients. As you can tell, we got this cream paste. Our magical remedy is ready. Store it in the fridge to use it until you get rid of all the warts and all the skin tags you don't want. How to apply it? Dip in your fingertip and apply it on the skin tag like so. And leave it overnight. You need to leave this remedy on the skin tag overnight. In the next morning, you'll find the skin tag got dry and it will fall off on its own and it's not gonna leave a scar. Keep using the remedy to achieve the best result ever. Store it in the fridge for up to 10 days and it's not gonna go bad. It will work for you 100%. Just give it a try.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.